Hello everyone. Today we are going to take very interesting and the easiest chapter of ninth, that is coordinate geometry. This coordinate geometry is related to the graph, plotting of points on the graph. Okay, so in this chapter we will talk about x-axis and y-axis. इन दो चीजों के बारे में हम बात करेंगे. ओके, नाउ इन ग्राफ और प्लॉटिंग द पॉइंट्स ऑन द ग्राफ, अगर आप देखेंगे, इफ यू विल प्लॉट द वैल्यूज ऑन द ग्राफ, दिस लाइन, horizontal line, is x-axis. It is called as x-axis. Okay, and this vertical is y-axis. Or we can say it that the other name of x-axis as abscissa. And other name of y-axis is ordinate. Okay, so horizontal line is also called as x-axis and its other name is abscissa, and the vertical line is y-axis and its other name is ordinate. Now this y-axis and x-axis together makes coordinate. Okay, x-axis and y-axis together makes coordinate, or we can say abscissa and ordinate दोनों मिलकर, abscissa and ordinate दोनों मिलकर coordinate कहलाता है. Is it clear? अब if you will observe on this whiteboard, there is one point of intersection of both the axes, x-axis and y-axis. There is a point of intersection. This point of intersection is called as origin. Okay, अब अगर हम x-axis की बात करें, आप जैसे नंबर लाइन पे करते हैं, this is origin, so the value on this side is always positive and the value on the left side of the origin is always negative. Okay, तो हम इसको x dash से भी डिनोट कर सकते हैं. X dash means negative value of x-axis. Same way, the upper value from the origin, upper value of y-axis is always positive and the lower value from the origin is negative, and this is symbolized like y dash. Y dash and x dash means negative value of the respective axis. Is it clear? तो x axis का other name abscissa, y axis का other name ordinate, and x and y axis together makes coordinate, or we can say abscissa and ordinate together makes coordinate. The point of intersection of both the axes is called as origin. अब अगर आप यहाँ पर देखते हैं, ये x एक्सिस एंड y एक्सिस ये कितने पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर रहा है? It divides in 4 parts, isn't it? And these 4 parts are called as quadrant. देखिए, quadrant ये कहलाता है. All the 4 parts separately called as co-quadrant. अब हमें क्या करना है? This part is the first quadrant. Now you have to move anti-clock. This is second quadrant. This is third, and this is fourth quadrant. Okay. So how many parts are there in which x-axis and y-axis divides it divides in 4 parts, and the parts are called as quadrant, and you will start it from here. First quadrant and go in anti-clockwise second, third and fourth quadrant. Okay. अब जब भी हम कोऑर्डिनेट्स को प्लॉट करेंगे ऑन द ग्राफ, कोऑर्डिनेट्स मींस एक्स एक्सिस एंड वाई एक्सिस, जब भी हम प्लॉट करेंगे वैल्यूज, हमेशा एक्स एक्सिस की वैल्यू पहले लिखी जाएगी एंड द वाई एक्सिस will be later. Okay, so while I will discuss it over here how to plot the values of the graph, let's see. I am making this again here. देखिए ध्यान से, this is y axis, y dash, x and x dash, and this is origin. Origin normally we used to write it with O or origin O. Now what we will do, we will divide it into equal divisions. Since you will do this on the graph, तो graph में equal divisions are already there. अब देखिए, this part on the left side is negative, तो हम यहाँ पे -1, -2, -3, -4 and so on we will write it like this. Remember, the gap or the division should be same. Otherwise आपको क्वेश्चन करने में गलती हो सकती है. Same way, the upper part of y-axis is positive, तो हम इसको positive value लिख देते हैं like this, and the lower part is negative, so we will write negative value like this. ठीक है? अब now we will try to plot the values over here. Suppose that first coordinate is 2 and 3. 2, 3. ये देखो दोनों मिलकर x and y axis दोनों मिलकर कोऑर्डिनेट कहलाता है. And as I have told it, the first value is always x value and the second value is of y always. तो अगर ये x2 है and the y is 3, तो हम देखो ये x axis है, here x is 2 and here I have written y as 3. अब यहाँ पे देखो, यहाँ से आप मूव करिए and x is 2, यहाँ से मूव कीजिए. Wherever both the perpendicular lines intersects with each other, that value is 2 and 3, or that is the coordinate 2 and 3. और इसको encircle कर दीजिए and let this name write its name as A if you want. Okay, अब एक और ले लेते हैं. Suppose that 2 minus 3 है. So how will you do it? 2 minus 3. X value is 2 and y value is -3. This is x value and this is y axis. तो हम x से 2 and y is -3. So perpendicular, here it meets both the lines. So let this name as B and write its coordinate. Okay. So can you tell me 2, 3 lies in which quadrant? It lies in first quadrant. And what about 2 and -3? It lies in fourth quadrant as it is already written. Suppose that now the value is -5 and 2. -5 and 2. So x is -5 and y is 2. तो हम 2 से यहाँ जाएंगे and x is -5. So wherever both the points intersect, name it as any alphabet and write it -5 and 2. So -5 and 2 lies in which quadrant? It lies in third quadrant. Third quadrant. Okay. Now, next, suppose that the value is -4 and -4. Let's try to plot this value. X value is -4. This is x -4 and y value is also -4. तो हम y के value -4 इधर है and x value is -4 is on this side. So here both the points meet. Let this point of intersection as D and here you will write -4 and -4. So this lies in fourth quadrant. Okay. So it's quite easy to plot the values like this, isn't it? Now I am taking x as 4. These are the coordinates. 4 and 0. X is 4 and y is 0. So remember, this origin, its coordinates as 0, 0. Origin coordinates as 0, 0. Means यहाँ पर origin पे x value is also 0 and y value is also 0. अब अगर हम x axis की बात करते हैं, remember on x axis, whether it is positive or negative, value of y is always 0. इस axis पे y value will always be 0. Now in reverse order, if we will talk about y axis, so on y axis क्या होगा? Value of x is always 0. Y axis पर x की value 0 होगी and on x axis y value is 0. Is it clear? Now we will go for this coordinate 4, 0. देखिए x, this is x and this is y. तो x axis पे y value is always 0. तो x की value 4 ये आ गई and पूरी x line पर x axis पे y is 0. तो x value is 4 and y is 0. So this will be the point. So let it be E. तो ये coordinate हो गया 4, 0. Okay. अब इसको reverse में ले लेते हैं 0, 4. If we have to plot 0, 4, x is 0. तो x 0 कहाँ होता है? x 0 कहाँ होता है? y axis पर. And y value is 4. So y value 4 ये रही and x value is 0. So we will name it like 0, 4. Have got it? Take one more. Suppose that value is 0, -5. How will you plot it? X, first value is of x. So x value is 0. So it will lie on y axis. 0 and -5. So y axis पे x value is 0 and y is -5. तो ये value encircle it and this is 0, -5. Okay. अब अगर ये value ऐसे होता, how will you write it? 6, 0. 6 is the value of x axis. X axis की value 6 है and y is 0. So on x axis y value is 0. So coordinates are 6, 0. X की value 6 है. So x की value 6 and y on this axis will always be 0. तो ये आपका 6, 0 हो गया. Okay. तो अब इस चैप्टर में से आपको कैसे क्वेश्चंस पूछे जा सकते हैं? In which quadrant the coordinate lies? तो आप क्या करेंगे? Try to plot the values like this. जैसे ये 2, 3 है, so it lies in first quadrant. If the value is 2 - 3, then it lies in fourth quadrant and so on. अब इंस्टेड ऑफ दिस अगर ये पूछ लिया जाए कि 60 lies in which quadrant, 60, this 60 lies in which quadrant? अब देखो ये 60 किसी क्वाड्रेंट में नहीं आ रहा, it lies on x axis, तो ये it lies on x axis, it doesn't lie in any quadrant. ओके, अब इसको देखते हैं। हमने 0 और -5 प्लॉट किया था, y वैल्यू इज -5, so this is the value. In which quadrant it lies? It does not lie in any quadrant, किसी क्वाड्रेंट में नहीं आ रहा, but it lies on y axis, so this lies on y axis. Have you got it? Is it clear? And what about 0, 0? 0, 0 lies where? In which quadrant it lies? 0, 0 lies on the origin. It does not lie on any axis. It lies on the origin. Is it clear? Like this, you can plot any value. अगर मान लीजिए आपके पास ये वैल्यू है, let it be 2.5 and 1. So how will you plot it 2.5 and 1? 2.5 is x value and 1 is of y value. Always the first value is of x. So 2.5, 2 और 3 के बीच में आएगा. So x value is 2.5 and y is 1. तो ये y ये हो गया and यहाँ से cross कीजिए. So this value will be 2.5 and 1. Is it clear? ऐसे आप कोई भी वैल्यू कोऑर्डिनेट में आप कोई भी वैल्यू ग्राफ पर प्लॉट कर सकते हैं, बट रिमेंबर व्हाइल प्लॉटिंग द वैल्यूज ऑन द ग्राफ द डिवीजन शुड बी इक्वल. ओके, gap, rather we can say gap of the numbers should be equal or the division should be equal. On the right side horizontal line is positive x and on the left side horizontal line is negative x. Same way the upper line vertical line is y axis positive and the lower line from the origin y axis is negative. And how many quadrants are there? There are 4 quadrants and always start it from here and go in anti-clockwise. Okay, anti-clockwise you have to go. And remember, on x-axis value of y is 0 always and on y-axis value of x is always 0, whether it is negative or positive. हमेशा पूरी y-axis and x-axis पर वैल्यू हमेशा डिपेंड करता है. x-axis पे y वैल्यू 0 होगी on both the sides and on y-axis x value will always be 0 on the both sides. Okay, so with the help of this concept I think you can able to plot the values on the graph paper from chapter coordinate geometry, that is chapter 3. Okay, so from chapter 3 the concept is plotting the values on the graph. Is it clear? So this chapter is quite interesting and इसमें से एक क्वेश्चन आपको जरूर पूछा जाता है in your exams. Thank you.